Do you feel stuck in a stage of life? If so, stick around for today's episode.
Are you ready to evolve your life? Here's your host, SJ.
Hi guys, I'm Eshe Rautenbach from Fearless with Life Coaching. I'm a master life coach that helps you to evolve your life to a better future. Before we start today's episode, please don't forget to hit that red button. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to make lasting changes in your life. And we're going to do it by looking at the change cycle. The basis of the model I used for this episode are based on the TTM change model, and I made some of my own modifications to it. Making lasting changes in our lives is one of the hardest things we can do. Changing our habits and forming new ones requires time and patience. Change may not come easily, but understanding the elements of change and the stages of change can help us with our journey to a better future. First, we're going to look at the elements of change. So the first element, are you desperate enough to make the change? Are there any barriers that can block your progress? What are some of your main triggers that can let you relapse to your old behavior? Before we're going to go into detail in the different stages of change, we're going to let Aphrodite do the introduction to the stage cycle.
Stages of change cycle. Stage 1, pre-contemplation. Stage 2 is discontent. Stage 3, breaking point. Stage 4, preparation. Stage 5 is fear. Stage 6, action. And the final stage is maintenance. Back to you, SJ.
Thank you, Aphrodite. Stage 1, pre-contemplation. The person may not be aware that the problem exists. Stage 2 is discontent. The person becomes aware that there is a problem, but has made no commitment to change. Stage 3, you reach a breaking point. You have so many problems or difficulties that you can no longer cope with them, and you may soon collapse. You get to a place of real desperation. Stage 4 is preparation. The person is intent on taking action to correct the problem. In this stage, the person usually needs to make hard decisions. Not many get past stage 4. Stage 5 is fear. In this stage, you start to second guess yourself, and you start to get fear for the change. Stage 6, action. You can choose to forget your progress and put yourself in amnesia state. That will lead you back with a downward spiral back to the start of a cycle. Or if you're brave enough, you can take the needed action to start your journey of an upward spiral towards healing and change. The final stage, the maintenance stage. Sustained change occurs as new behaviors replace old ones. Each time a person goes through the cycle, they learn from each relapse and hopefully grow stronger, so that their relapse is shorter or less devastating to them. James Procasta said that making behavior change should be approached as you were getting ready for major surgery. It's not going to be easy, but if you stick to the change, it will help and it will be possible. No matter how stuck you may be, no matter how frustrated you may feel, no matter how many attempts in the past ended in failure and in despair, this can change quite easily once you see there is for sure a hope for your future. Also, julle lekker. Thank you guys again for joining us for this awesome episode. Before you go and enjoy this content, please subscribe, like and share, and also don't forget to get your bonus content at the end of this episode. Aphrodite will have all the detail for you regarding that. But for now, it's Eshe saying, be fearless as a wolf. Till next time guys, goodbye.
Thank you, SJ, and now for your bonus. To download the document, please see the link under this video. In the description area, the document looks like this. Before you start the document, please consider the following. Are you ready to break through the change cycle? Have you experienced the change cycle before? Where are you in the cycle now? Knowing now how the cycle works, what choice are you going to make? The document, combined with SJ's video, will help you start your upward spiral to a changed life. Are you ready to take responsibility for your life and create the life you dream of having?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and check out our other cool videos.